In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change your address on Scotiabank using online banking. Let's get started. Note, here's something important. You cannot change your address using the Scotiabank mobile app. For this update, you'll need to use Scotiabank's website on your browser. So let's get started. First, head over to scotiabank.com and log in with your credentials. Once you are logged in, go to the Manage My Account section. You'll usually find this option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Manage My Account and it will take you to another page where you will see the Change Address option. Tap on Update to begin. At this point, Scotiabank will send you an access code for verification. If you don't have one set up yet, you can check Scotiabank's help resources or follow a guide on creating one. After entering your access code, simply update your new address details. Double check everything for accuracy, then click Confirm and finally tap on Finish. And that's it. Your address has been now successfully updated in your Scotiabank online banking profile. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.